product application can be tricky when looking in the Analyze feature of My Operations. Select Analyze and select Application. I can see many of my fields show many more acres than what the boundary of the field is. For example, 36-acre woods shows 109 acres of application, but the field is only 36 acres. I can see I have an average rate of 27.8 gallons per acre. If I select 2 or 3 at the bottom, I can see total amount of gallons used, the last applied date, along with speed. If I select that field, I will get the breakdown of what products have been applied to that field for 2020. See, I have 1034.0, 28, a 928.2, Avail, and Nutrisphere. So we can see everything but 28 is right around the 36 acres of what the field really is. 28 is essentially doubled. If I click on 28, I can see there were actually 2 different applications of 28 made on that field. I have a May 8th, which would have been the planting date as a part of the starter fertilizer at 15 gallon per acre. And then I also have a side dress application on May 26th at an average rate of 60 gallon to the acre. So when I go back and look at the overall, my 37.7 gallons per acre is an average of the 2 applications. I also have the ability to look at products and see how much of each product has been applied across my overall organization and at what average rates, along with total amount of product used across the entire organization. I also have the ability to look at work. 928.2 plus zinc full throttle is a single product, and then I also have tank mixes set up for other applications. I can see that those were applied on different fields. So in many cases, we may not want all of our products grouped together under the full application report. We have the ability to go to the filter and filter by what product or what work we would like to look at. So if I would simply like to know fields that had 1034.0 applied, I could select 1034.0 and close, and it will simply filter my report down just looking at 1034.0 as a product. So I can see in total how much was applied on each field, how many acres was applied in each field, along with the total gallonage and when it was completed. As with other Analyze operations, we can hit share and pull up a PDF that we can email, text, or print out. So now we are back to our original report for our full application.